TPSpro Trading.
Hello everyone. Welcome to a world where trends will no longer be your enemies, but your allies. We have developed a tool that makes trend detection simple and accurate. Now everyone has the opportunity to enter more accurately and minimize risks. Let's show you how this trend indicator TrendPro can become your secret weapon and how you can achieve successful results. So, let's start with what the main functions of this indicator are. Accurately and unmistakably display trend changes, structures on the higher timeframes, and trends on the lower timings. With the display of the minima and maximum correction, if in another way the high lock of the structure. After the trend change, a zone of a 50% pullback is displayed, with a smart logic of reducing it. Firm where you should just start looking for trading ideas. The rollback percentage can be changed in this setting. After touching this zone, in our example it is a buy zone, a second zone of potential take profit appears. In the settings, we recommend setting more than 1 to 2, that is, the value 2. What's next? Display of entry points 11, 12, 13. You can find more details on the TPS website about the rating, as well as the minimum goal for take profit. After the photo points appear, which is displayed with arrows, the current graph begins to recolor. You can adjust the fill to your color and taste, or turn it off. Of course there is, that is, a multi-bit frame, abbreviated. This is a trend display from the older time frame. That is, on the H1 chart, I can turn on the trend display with a 4. Now the minima and maxima of the correction, and the places where the trend was replaced by the corresponding inscription, are inaccessible to me. Also not very useful, but still there is a visual function that candles from the older Tefrom can show you. Maybe someone will be interested. And the last main function will be a scanner for 3 or 5 time frames. It will be released soon. Recently we have added another, I think very useful feature, a mini statistics panel for all entry points. In the settings, you can choose the number of days for which statistics are shown. You can also hide the panel so that it doesn't bother you when trading. So, the following information is available for you. The first is the number of days, the second is the number of all signals during this time, but only during trading time. You specify the trading time in the settings, and it is also displayed on the chart below as a line. The third one is VINLOS, the number of transactions in plus and minus. Then it is followed by the percentage of VINLOS. Fifth, the number of pips of all positive trades on minimum take profits, and also the number of pips for all negative trades. So, let's summarize. With TrendPro, you will always know exactly and correctly which trend is on the older time frame and which trend is on the younger prime, and the point of change, as well as how many corrections there are already. And by switching to a lower tempo, you can see the entry points to the market. One of the most important advantages of this indicator is that it does not redraw any min-max, trend changes, or entry points at all. The second advantage is a unique logic that has no analogs. In the following videos, we will talk about how you can apply and use this indicator, which levels can and should be used, in which zones to expect a reversal or continuation of the trend. It will be nice for subscribing and liking, and even nicer for comments.